In the warm tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific, a tiny titan lurks, the mantis shrimp. Often overlooked because of its small size, this colorful crustacean possesses some of the ocean's most remarkable superpowers. For starters, its eyes are among the most advanced in the animal kingdom. While humans typically see 3 primary colors, the mantis shrimp can detect up to 12. This superior vision helps it hunt and communicate in its vibrant coral habitat. Even more astounding is its lightning-fast punch, so forceful that it can break open shells and even crack aquarium glass. To put it in perspective, that strike is as quick as a .22 caliber bullet leaving its chamber. Thanks to specialized clubs on its front limbs, the mantis shrimp's strike generates intense heat and tiny shock waves, known as cavitation bubbles. These little bursts of energy can stun or kill prey instantly. By mastering both world-class vision and knockout strength, the mantis shrimp has secured a formidable niche in the ocean's depths. This extraordinary creature is a vivid reminder that sometimes the most incredible wonders can come in the smallest packages.